In 1964, Ford introduced a car that would change American culture forever. It wasn't just fast. It was affordable, bold, and unforgettable. This was the birth of the Ford Mustang. In the early 1960s, Ford wanted something new, a sporty car for young drivers, but still practical and affordable. The result was the Mustang. When it launched in April 1964, demand exploded. Over 22,000 cars were sold on the first day alone. What made the Mustang special wasn't just performance, it was the design. The long hood, short rear deck, and aggressive stance created a completely new look. This design would inspire an entire class of cars known as pony cars. Under the hood, buyers had many options, from a modest 6-cylinder engine to powerful V8 machines. One of the most famous versions was the Mustang GT. With its roaring V8 engine, it delivered the power and sound that enthusiasts loved. The Mustang quickly proved itself in racing. Legendary driver Carroll Shelby pushed the car even further, creating the Shelby GT350. These cars dominated American racing and cemented the Mustang's reputation as a true performance icon.
Decades later, the Mustang is still alive and evolving. Modern versions are faster and more advanced than ever, but the spirit of the original 1964 Mustang remains the same: freedom, performance, and unmistakable style. The Ford Mustang didn't just become a car, it became a legend. If you enjoyed this journey through automotive history, subscribe to AutoLegacy 26 for more legendary stories.